Toncoin is absolutely crashing it, and let's talk about Toncoin price prediction, the buy zones, the selling zones, technical analysis. We're going to talk about everything in this video. So I'm looking at the market and all the altcoins are so sensitive. They're correcting so hard. Whenever Bitcoin makes a little move, all the altcoins are crashing 10-20%, but not Toncoin. Toncoin is going strong and all the way up. It just shows incredible strength, and you guys asked me to take a look at that, and let's go. Let's take a look. So first of all, what I see, we need to put we have some fresh chart over here, not too much data, but like we can put Fibonacci retracement levels on this movement from the bottom to the top, and we can see this 618 golden level right here. That was perfectly top. Like, look guys, here we already reached that level twice, and that would have been really great purchasing zone, and we already bounced like, guys, like almost 30% from that level. So that would be my first purchasing level, but doesn't mean we're gonna continue going up. Like, I don't know. I think you should be prepared for both scenarios. The first scenarios would be we're gonna continue going up, but if you're not invested into Toncoin, I would just recommend maybe take a look at what's going on the market, take a look at the situation, because when we look at weekly RSI, look down here guys, we're so overbought. Okay, we're really high, and it doesn't mean doesn't necessarily mean we were gonna continue going all the way up, because we may see some kind of retracement to this 0.5 level, or maybe those two levels here before we make a move up. Okay, so that could be your chance, and I'm personally gonna wait for those levels here. So my first level will be 0.5, but if Bitcoin is gonna go into big correction mode, I think we could break this level here. So two levels I would be looking for is this $3.5, and another one will be $2.5. So whenever we reach those levels, I think it's a great opportunity to get some Toncoin, like here, because this may happen. This may really happen if it's going to continue going up, and if you're lucky enough to be an owner of Toncoin, you should be looking at two levels, $11.8 and $14 as a selling point. So if we continue going up, those would be my two levels I would be looking for to make some sales, to take my profits, because from this point here, that's going to be like 100% up to the 85% and 125% to point number 2 of Fibonacci retracement. So I would take that profit. But if we continue, even if we retrace to 618, this golden 618, if we retest this level here, like, look guys, it's 130% to this level, 1618, and to the second level is like 180. But if we go all the way down here, so this is really important, if we manage to get this coin really low, that's like 350% and like 450%. So the lower you can get it, the more you can get profit on the way up. And I think like this level here is really important too. I think if we get into the price of like $3, that's great. I think that's the lowest we can get. If we go into like temporary bear market, if you know what I mean. But look at the RSI guys, like I don't think it's a good idea. It's never been a good idea to buy coins for long term with overbought RSI. You wanna get it when the RSI is like really low. In a bull market, it's gonna probably retrace somewhere here, and that would be a good zone to purchase your Toncoin over here. But we're gonna cover this coin in the future, so make sure you click that subscribe button and follow me, because I'm gonna update this chart many times in the future. Let's just take a look at CoinGecko, and I want to show you something. So with Toncoin, we're already on number 9. We're already in top 10 on CoinGecko. It's incredible. Like we've grown so much, and we have to understand that competition here is really tight, and there's so many great projects, and we are already really high, and it's, in my opinion, a little bit risky to get at this point. And in cryptocurrency, like, things change really quickly. Yes, we're showing a lot of strength right now, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna show that strength all the time, because we can easily retrace and then continue going up to even higher, to like $20 more. I don't know. Let's just take a look, because if we were to double from here, from number 9, that would mean we would be on the number 6 behind Solana. If we were to triple from where we are right now, that would mean the market cap of like 66,000. We would replace Solana. We would be behind BNB. And what if you're thinking like, oh, can we 10x? Can we 10x from here? That would mean we would be behind Ethereum number 3. But guys, like, I really expect the whole market, the whole top 10 to double or triple. So in my opinion, 10x is possible. It's possible, but maybe not from this point where we are right now. But if we have some solid shakeout, solid retracement, and if you get this coin in a lower point, you can actually get that 10x, maybe even more, maybe 20x, even though we're really high. Okay, because I think Toncoin is trendy right now in this cycle, and it's gonna be a dark horse, probably. We never know, but it looks like that. So another thing that I wanted to show you is the fear and greed index. I told you guys we're at extreme fear, extreme greed, and greed over here, and I told you guys we're gonna see the movement to the left. Now we're at 67, and just 67, and look how much room for improvement we can see here. If we can see fear or extreme fear here, I'm telling you guys, we're gonna see this drop. We're just gonna see those levels probably again. But it's really good. If we see those levels, that's like golden opportunity to get it. Of course, it's not financial advice. Yeah, like, you want to buy, that's the strategy that worked perfectly for me over the years. Whenever I saw extreme fear, it was a great time to purchase something for long term, not during greed time. Because if we look at the long chart, like, guys, look like how long we've been growing for like 2 years, and we're really high, and we just want to see something like down here between like 40 and 20. Like, those levels would be really good. Also, I told you guys that this chart's gonna go down, so it's another thing that I predicted super well, and that's really important to get. I told you guys about limit orders, because look, we got into 25 points on the Bitcoin season because all the altcoins crashed hard, and if you purchased it right here, you would have purchased some altcoins on the perfect time on a Bitcoin dominance chart. Because look what happened here. It's actually, you can see it on this chart. The Bitcoin crashed a little bit and the Bitcoin dominance grew, and the altcoins crashed even more, which made Bitcoin even more dominant on the market. And it was a great time to actually accumulate some altcoins right here if you had limit orders. I truly believe that we just broke the ascending triangle over here, as you can see, and I think we're gonna continue going up, and if we reach this box, it's just gonna be the best opportunity to accumulate some altcoins, in my opinion. And yeah, because the dominance is gonna grow so big, and as you look at this channel right here that we formed, that was great. Those were great opportunities to accumulate altcoins, and as we go down, you just sell altcoins into BTC, you buy Bitcoin here. So I think we're gonna form this kind of channel over here, and if you break this support, then we're gonna go back into this channel again. So let's just take a look. Last thing today, let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin chart. And I told you guys we were gonna see some accumulation. I told you guys like weeks ago that we're gonna see some sideways movement a little bit here, because it takes some time for the whales to like drop their bags, and they need some liquidity. The news has to spread all over the media that we're at all-time high, and all the new people are coming in and they're buying, and experienced traders that have grown so much, they're just selling a little bit, they're just taking profits. Because if we look at the chart from the weekly EMA perspective, look how far we drifted from weekly EMA moving average. You see, that's what traders do, that's what big whales do here. They just take profits, and we've seen it in a history of the chart. Look, we drift away from moving averages, people take profits, the big fish, the big whales taking profit, and we come back and bounce back. Every time we make a movement away from weekly moving average, it's great to take profits. Okay, so that's what we're doing here, but they cannot do it fast. They need time, they need more liquidity, they need more people to come into the market so they can drop. And in my opinion, like, this support is weakening, and we may see another drop into the 58,000 level. And if this breaks, I think the lower we can get is like $52,000. That could be like a local bottom that you could accumulate BTC for some trade, for some short-term, medium-term trade, and even for long-term holding, because I believe we're gonna go to 150 or 200. I'm gonna make a video of my Bitcoin price prediction after halving. So if you're interested, just click the subscribe button so you're not gonna miss it. And in my opinion, if BTC is gonna go to 58 or even 52, and Toncoin actually is gonna dump into like 4 or even down to 3. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting. But everything comes down to what BTC is gonna do. So all right, that's it for today. Thank you, see you tomorrow.